this window that won't go down allows for a constant airflow in the car, so it's very refreshing and circulating. It's a great, great feature. Isn't this so refreshing?
All about a Saturday night, rubbed up, just relaxing in the tub.
We only have state-of-the-art equipment in this bad boy. Check out the stereo system, for instance. I know what you're thinking. Wow. Wow. And one of the most important features, the knob. Look at this knob. I know you want to touch it. Go on. Touch it. It's hot. Oh, gotcha. And let's hear the sound in this bad boy.
Turn me on, ATM.
Thinking everything was alright. Well, I stepped out the tub and put my feet on the floor. I wrapped the towel around me and I opened the door. And in a splish splash, I jumped back in the bath. Well, how was I to know there was a party going